We're here from XOVIS, based in Switzerland, and we're providing a solution for passenger flow monitoring and management. And our solution consists out of two main components. First of all is this stereo sensor, as you can see it here. This sensor is then mounted on the ceiling, and it can then track passengers as they walk underneath the ceiling. And all the data that our sensors are gathering are then fed into our software, which you can see over here. So all this data can then be used to compile dashboards and reports for different stakeholders at the airports. So for example, we can calculate how many passengers are in a specific area, we can calculate the waiting time, we can calculate the throughput of a check-in desk or a security screening lane. And all these data can then be seen in the dashboard, seen in the reports, and it can basically be used to improve the operational efficiency of the airport, to better utilize the resources that an airport has. And we currently have around 100 customers all around the world, and we're proud to say that we're the market leader in this segment. Yeah, the first impression is really good. It's been the second day now that we're halfway through, and the event has been really well organized. And also the attendance has been great. We had a lot of talks with relevant stakeholders from different airports, like pretty much covering everything from east to west in Russia. So that was very valuable to us. And the main reason why we're here, we just successfully completed a pilot project at Vnukovo Airport, and we have two more projects going on at two other airports. And our main goal of our attendance here is really to spread the word, talk to the airports, tell them what we do, so that we increase the fame, or like that more people know about what we're doing. Well, as we're an internationally operating company, it's actually not the first time we're dealing with such initiatives, and it's obviously understandable that all the countries, they try to put their economy first and put initiatives to protect and promote their economy. So in that regard, it's nothing new for us. We've done that we've had this in many other countries as well. But as we're working in Russia, I've been working here for several years already. We've been working in the retail industry, where we equipped fashion outlets and furniture stores with our sensors. And there we worked with local partners. And thanks to these long-lasting relationships and thanks to their knowledge, they really could support us in overcoming these administrative burdens that were there. Yeah, the main challenges we had were in terms of certification and in terms of taxation. So these were two aspects where we had some challenges to conquer. But again, thanks to the many long-lasting relationships we have here, thanks to the knowledge the people have and that we also built up over all these years, we could really overcome this issue, tax issue, and successfully import our sensors and our solutions here to Russia. Generally speaking, there are three main advantages that we have over a different solution, and that's not only in Russia, but more globally, where we have these three differentiators. The first of all is the data privacy. Our sensors, they capture the passengers anonymously, they track them anonymously, so it's safe in terms of data privacy. Then secondly, we have a very high accuracy, so one sensor detects 99% of all people walking underneath this, and due to this we can really provide accurate data to the end user, almost like a Swiss watch. And then thirdly, also very important, because we don't process any video footage, we have very low requirements to the IT infrastructure, so then ultimately for the airport the costs are much lower to roll out our system. And as I said, these three are our main advantages that the customers have with our solution. And again, it's not only in Russia, it's globally like this. And you also mentioned some differences between Switzerland or generally Europe and Russia. And there are some funny things. When COVID broke out, we did our first trip to Russia, and in Europe, in the rest of Europe, aviation was pretty much coming to a halt. When we came here, all the airport terminals were still very busy, so that was a really big difference compared to back home. But it's understandable because Russia is such a large country, and aviation is so much more important over here. So that is made quite sense. And yeah, other than that, also the collaboration with the airport. It's very rare that we have in the collaboration with an airport such a pragmatic and supportive approach. So it was very straightforward, very goal-oriented to get this project delivered. It was really impressive to see that.